There we go, a slice for everyone to have. Hey, eat it up quickly and try to read what's written in there in the message. You will love it. Oh, and guys, thank you so much for being at my baby's birthday. I didn't even invite you, and it's not only my baby's birthday, it's her very first birthday. Can you believe that? What would it like to be? I mean, what would it like? I mean, what if we could celebrate our birthdays when we were just born after a few seconds ago, and this is our very first birthday, and we could celebrate it and enjoy it. What would it like be? Well, you guys tell me at the comments. What would it like be if you could celebrate your first, and not only first, very first birthday when you were little? I mean, just born a few seconds ago. If it were me, then I would be so happy. See what? And I know something would be sad that we could see the birthday cake, but we would be able to. I mean, we could have saw the birthday cake, but we were not able to eat it. I mean, we're not going to be able to eat it because we didn't have tooth that time, right? If our birthdays were celebrated and cake was made at that day, then we could have just saw the cake, but not been able to eat it. We didn't even know the cake is the food. So anyway, guys, thank you so much, and I've been inviting you to my first birthday since we can't celebrate ours. That's awesome. And nobody even celebrates her first birthday, but I did, and nobody even celebrates her bird's birthday, but I did. Because it will be cool, and they're just bored, and I can't wait until they grow up. The question of the day is to remember the date of their birth when they are grown up. Yes, I will take a time for that question, and that question will be at the future. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.